Let me tell you a story of my friend Rahul. He used to study a lot to get into his dream college BITS Pilani. वो बहुत मेहनत करता था and अपनी लिमिट्स को काफी पुश करता था. So finally after 2 years of hard work, the exam day finally came and he was going to appear for BITSAT 2022. After writing the exam, he thought उसका exam काफी अच्छा गया है. But when the score appeared on screen, he was shattered. And उसको पता चल गया था he will not get his dream college BITS Pilani on this score. And I really don't want the same to happen with you. So that's why in this video we BITSians will tell you all the mistakes जो आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. These mistakes can change your entire score. Even if right now if you are scoring good in your mocks, let's say 250 plus score कर रहे हो, अगर आपने इनमें से कोई भी गलतियां कर ली ना तो आपका स्कोर 150 to 180 पे ही अटक जाएगा. Also इस वीडियो के एंड में मैंने जो मिस्टेक आपको बताई है अगर वो आपने नहीं करी तो बिट्स पिलानी तो पक्का है. So watch this video at 1.25x or 1.5x to save your time. And if you are really serious about BITSAT तो कमेंट में जाकर लिख दो I am future BITSian. This will give you the assurance to work hard for your dream college. Yes, ये important है, अभी जाकर लिख दो पॉज करके वीडियो. So I hope आपने अभी तक लिख दिया होगा कमेंट्स में I am future BITSian. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. तो ये दो मिस्टेक्स तो बिल्कुल मत करना. फर्स्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस थिंक दैट BITSAT इज इजी, बट लेट मी टेल यू अ हार्श ट्रूथ अबाउट BITSAT. BITSAT इज अ रैंडम एग्जाम. देयर इज नो हाई वेटेज ऑफ एनी चैप्टर. अगर कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि ये चैप्टर कर लो ये तो आएगा ही, तो समझ लेना आपको वो बेवकूफ बना रहा है. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट की बात करूं तो इन वन ऑफ द शिफ्ट देयर वर 7 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग एंड 6 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने ये दो चैप्टर्स छोड़ दिए थे उनके तो 200 नंबर भी नहीं बने. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट समथिंग एंड समथिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग. मतलब जो चैप्टर आपको टफ जाता है ना आपको उसके फॉर्मूलेस तो पता ही होने चाहिए एट एनी कॉस्ट. एंड जो आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग चैप्टर है वो आपका इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए कि उसका कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दैट अंडर 1 मिनट. उन चैप्टर्स को लेकर इतना कॉन्फिडेंट होना पड़ेगा आपको. सो टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर एंड अपने वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग चैप्टर्स को कैटेगराइज करो एंड इन बच्चे दिनों में ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट योर वीक चैप्टर्स इनटू स्ट्रॉन्ग चैप्टर्स बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. नॉट बाय थ्योरी बट बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रैंडमनेस ओनली मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु वर स्कोरिंग 250 plus in their mock test landed up scoring less than 200 in actual BITSAT exam. So here comes the second mistake. Please give relevant mock test. This is very important. आपका easy shift भी हो सकता है, tough shift भी हो सकता है. So you need a set of mock tests जो आपको हर लेवल के लिए प्रिपेयर करें. See, at last it's your preparation only. But if you want an unfair advantage, you can go with crack it mock test. Because this year also many students scored almost same or more in actual BITSAT as they were scoring in crack it mock test. And last year भी यही story थी. You can check out the reviews. Because this mock test is made by BITSians only. बाकी कोई भी mock test दे रहे हो, it's better to analyze them properly. But in case of crack it, BITSians will give you personalized plan based on your mock score. ताकि आप अपने next mock test में इंप्रूव करो एंड स्लोली टच स्कोर ऑफ 300 प्लस इन एक्चुअल BITSAT एग्जाम. बिकॉज सबकी प्रिपरेशन अलग होती है, एक कॉमन स्ट्रेटेजी से सबका सिलेक्शन नहीं हो सकता. ऑल्सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स डोंट अंडरस्टैंड टेक्स्ट सॉल्यूशन, तो वो एनालाइज ही नहीं कर पाते प्रॉपरली. बट इन क्रैक इट मॉक टेस्ट यू विल गेट वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस व्हिच नो अदर मॉक टेस्ट इन द मार्केट इज प्रोवाइडिंग करंटली. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट क्रैक इट मॉक टेस्ट इज दैट इट्स अफोर्डेबल. पहले BITSAT का फॉर्म इतना महंगा होता है एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट नॉट टू वेस्ट मोर मनी ऑन टेस्ट. सो इट्स अ हाई टाइम इफ यू आर रियली सीरियस अबाउट BITSAT. आई हैव अटैच्ड लिंक इन द पिन कमेंट्स एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन, आप वो चेक कर सकते हो.
Thank you for inviting me to your channel. And if you don't know me, hi, I'm Somrat. I'm doing my BE Computer Science Engineering plus MSc Co from this Goa campus, and I'm also a YouTuber like him. Now, talking about the two most important mistakes that I wish I would have avoided during my BITSAT. Talking about the first one would be I was not really fast enough. Like जब मैं mock भी practice करता था ना, I was very reluctant to only solve the normal questions and not ever try for the bonus questions. BITSAT के exam में भी यही हुआ. Almost full paper complete नहीं हुआ था मेरे से, and I was still trying to go back and do the previous question. I was trying to solve them. Instead of what I should have done is like जो हो गया भाई इसको जाने दो. I should have focused on moving to the bonus question, and trust me, a lot of times and most of the times bonus questions बहुत easy होते. So that is one mistake I wish I would have not done. कि भाई जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो, bonus question तक पहुंचो. And the second one is called the favorite subject dilemma. देखो मेरे में ये बहुत था कि मैथ्स मेरा बहुत फेवरेट था. मतलब हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा कोई सब्जेक्ट फेवरेट हो एंड किसी तरह उसका डिफिकल्टी लेवल बहुत ज्यादा आ जाए. ऐसा होता है बहुत टाइम. यू गेट वेरी इमोशनल एंड लाइक कि नहीं भाई मेरे से कैसे नहीं हो सकता. तो भाई वो मत करो. डोंट गेट इमोशनल. डोंट फील कि भाई ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. भाई ट्रस्ट ब्रो, चिल ब्रो. ओनली योर मार्क्स मैटर. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट में कितना मार्क्स आता है बिल्कुल मैटर नहीं करता. तो जो भी सब्जेक्ट जल्दी हो रहा है, फास्ट हो रहा है, करेक्ट हो रहा है, वो सबसे पहले कर लो.
Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Choran and I'm pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering at BITS Goa. If you're preparing for your BITSAT examination this year, here are 2 mistakes that I made while preparing for my BITSAT, which I wish I could have avoided. The first one is related to syllabus completion. I was not focusing on trying to complete my syllabus and instead I was directly going on to attempt mock tests, which was a bad strategy, as I realized I wasn't prepared enough to attempt those mock tests. So the first thing to keep in mind is to complete at least 60 to 70% of your syllabus before trying to attempt BITSAT mock tests. This is extremely important for an examination like BITSAT where questions from every part of the syllabus are asked. Also, the mock tests would be way more beneficial for you if you know the basics of every concept, and then you'll have a base to build upon. The second mistake that I did while preparing for my BITSAT was that I was not analyzing my mock tests at all. Solving mock tests is only half part of the equation. The other half is to analyze them properly and to figure out what your weakest areas are and how you can improve upon that. And if you're just attempting one mock test after the other like me, that just defeats the whole purpose. So make sure that the next time you attempt one, take a pen and paper and write down all of the concepts that you feel are your weak areas. And try to study and have conceptual clarity on those topics before attempting the next mock test. This will help you gradually increase your score with every mock test, and you'll also be more confident for the main exam. The thing is, if you're not analyzing and improving on your mistakes, then after a couple of mock tests, your score will get stagnant and you'll only get demotivated by no improvement in your score. So those are the 2 mistakes that I made while preparing for my BITSAT examination that I hope you don't repeat. That's all from my side.
Hope you guys are doing well. I know BITSAT is coming up, and if you're really nervous about BITSAT, I'll tell you some of my mistakes which I made, especially during my preparation time, which can really help you out a lot. So the first thing that I want to tell you guys is about time management. Make sure you keep an eye on the clock, right? I mean, generally when I start going about doing questions, I get so engrossed in doing the question, deep dive into the question that I forget to look at the time. So having an eye on the clock is very important, guys. And maybe when I look back, maybe if I had solved more number of questions, that too a lot more accurately, maybe I could have maximized my BITSAT score. The second mistake which I did was I didn't really pay a lot of attention to logical reasoning and English before my preparation. I was trying to target JEE Advanced. That was my main target. My target was to get into a really good IIT. But of course, I missed that by a slight margin. I got the rank of 7,000, 8,000, especially if you're general category male. It doesn't really make much sense to get that. So the next best option for me was BITSAT. And since I didn't prepare logical reasoning in English that well, that's something which impacted my score a lot. I know friends of mine who got pretty decent scores which were similar to my score in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, but then they did extremely well in logical reasoning in English. So make sure you focus on that as well. Make sure you solve mock papers. You don't have to deep dive into every chapter of logical reasoning, but then make sure you solve as many papers as possible to get better at it. I hope these helps you, and make sure you do well in BITSAT, guys. All the best. Hope to see you in BITS. Bye.
I hope this video helped you, and अभी तक वीडियो देख रहे हो, that means you are really serious about BITSAT. तो कमेंट में लिख दो BITS Pilani I am coming. Not to show everyone, but to show yourself that you are going to work hard for your dream. Just one advice from my side: don't think much about the results. Just focus on your preparation. Also यार, if you are really serious ना, तो ये strategy videos देखना बंद करो, because strategy videos से आपको guidance मिलेगी, but real selection तो आपका अपनी पढ़ाई से ही होगा. And also make sure आप जिससे strategy सुन रहे हो ना, क्या उसने actually में कुछ उखाड़ा है कि नहीं, वो भी देख लिया करो. बाकी also I have attached Crackit test series link and free mentorship community link in which BitSense are guiding you completely for free. तो आप वो भी join कर सकते हो if you want to. I really want कि आप सब अच्छी place पे जाकर reach करो at the end. So please go and study. Don't waste your time. बस 15 दिन ही बचे हैं. बाकी ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं रखते इस वीडियो को. See you in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.